morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine. Okay students, in our previous environmental studies class we have read Animals chapter, isn't it? And we have completed half of the chapter, and now we are going to do some facts which is very necessary for you. Now animals live at different places, okay? We people live in our environment as our requirement, as we require to be in this, because when the place which is very cold, people are living there, they are habituated, but if we people go to that place, we can't live. Likewise with animal also. Animal will go any of the places, they can't live there, okay? Some animal needs sunlight, some animal needs water, like fish which cannot live with water, isn't it? But if you pour an elephant into a fish, can elephant will breathe? No, it will die. Understood? Now, so this is the fact we are going to read. Animal lives at different places. Different animal live at different places. Some animal live on land while some other live in water, as I told you. Now student, there is a question. Can you tell me the largest animal ever on the earth? Name the largest animal on the earth. Do you know? The largest animal on the earth is the blue whale. Understood? Blue whale. Have you read or I taught you some of the facts about blue whale? Yes. So that is blue whale. Now animals like monkeys, squirrel, birds, bats, etc. lives on tree. Understood? Now some animals like frog, tortoise and crocodile can live both on land and in water. Some of the animals can live both in land and in the water. Understood? Now birds. Now we are going to read about birds. Animals that have wings and feathers are called bird. Have you seen a bird? Crow, eagle, so many birds are there. Understood? They have 2 legs and claws, and most of them can fly. There are certain birds which cannot fly. Understood? They have beaks to eat food and do not have teeth. Now we people have lips, so birds have beaks. That is called beaks. Okay, birds do not have teeth. Understood? So they eat food with their beaks. Understood? Most of them live on trees and build nests to live. For example, parrot, crow, eagle, sparrow, etc. Okay, these birds make nest. That nest is the house of the bird, and they live on that tree. Now, some birds cannot fly. They are flightless birds. For example, ostrich, penguin, emu. These birds cannot fly. They live on the land itself. Understood? Some birds can swim in water. For example, duck and swan. Have you seen duck? They are very cute now. So they live on water, but they are even birds. Understood? Now we are going to read about insects. So what we have read right now, animal at different places, birds. Some birds can live on the trees, some birds can live in water, some birds can live on land. Understood? Now we are going to read insects. Insects are these small animals with 6 legs. Some insects have wings to fly. Some example, cockroach, ant, butterfly, mosquito, etc. Okay, so these are insects can fly. Understood? Now, uses of animals. Students, we people always think about some of the usage. Okay, we have if we have hen at home, the use of that hen is it is giving eggs to us. If we have cow, then it is giving milk to us. Understood? So it is written uses of animal, that which animal gives us what, or what is the advantage of keeping that animals, we are going to read. We get many useful things from animals. Yes? Cow, buffalo and goat gives us milk. Yes? Now hen, goat, sheep, fish, etc. gives us meat. People whoever eat meat, so they eat those kind of meat. Understood? Honeybees gives us what? Honeybees gives us honey. Yes, honey. Hen and duck gives us egg. Okay. We get wool from many animals. Can you tell me 2 animals? We get wool. Sheep, camel, goat, yak. Okay, these and etc. There is certain rabbit also. So we get wool from that animals. Understood? So students, there is a recap. Wild animals, where do wild animals live in? They live in forest. Good. Domestic animal can be kept as pet, and where we can keep that domestic animal? In the farm. Okay. They are very helpful to us. How a dog is helpful to us? Can you tell me? Dog guards our house. Yes? Okay. Different animals live at different places. Why? Because of their requirement. They cannot. Some of the animals cannot live on land, like fish. Okay, like blue whale. They cannot live on the land. They have to be in the water. So students, they live because of their environment and requirements. Now, some animals live on land. As I told you, some live in water, some live both land as well as water. Can you tell me one example which the animal that can live both land and water? Frog, yes. Crocodile, yes. So these animals can live in water also and on land also. Understood? Animals are very useful to us. Can you tell me what sheep gives us? I told you right now. Sheep gives us wool. Cow gives us milk. Goat gives us milk. Yes? Okay. So we have completed. Can you tell me what hen gives us? Hen gives us egg. Okay. So we have completed the chapter of animals. We have learned animals. We have learned birds. We have learned insects. Okay, we have learned how animal is useful to us. Understood? So go through the chapter. There is very easy exercise given in your book. Differentiate between wild animal and pet animal. Put a mark between your copy and left side write pet animal, right side write wild animal, and then differentiate. What is the difference? Difference means you know. You don't know difference. Like where we can keep the pet animal, what is wild animal. What pet animal can do, what wild animal can do, only you have to judge. Understood? So we have completed this chapter with the exercise. Understood? So send your exercise into your copy and learn it also. Okay? Thank you.